Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a complete backyard cleanup. So I really wanted to go ahead and get everything ready for the winter. I started filming this in September and finished it in October, but so as you can see, in September it was still pretty nice, but I knew that the cold weather was going to be coming. For those of you that don't know, I live in Canada, and pretty much every year we get at least one good snowfall in October, usually before Halloween, and this year is no exception. As I'm recording this voiceover right now, it is October 23rd and we have snow on the ground right now, so I was right to start putting everything away. But yeah, we get a lot of snow here where I'm from, so you definitely want to make sure that you can get everything as much as possible that you won't be using in the wintertime into some sort of storage, because obviously things can get ruined by the elements. So I definitely want to make sure I can clean up everything as much as possible and just kind of have it all tucked away. So that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. As you guys can see here, I'm just basically working on cleaning up Holden's toys, just getting everything put away. And we're starting off with the toys. So a couple of videos ago, I showed you guys cleaning out my garage, which was really helpful, because if you guys saw that video, you would have known that I had absolutely no room to be putting anything in that garage. So once that was all cleaned out, I was able to go ahead and start putting everything in there. And yeah, we're just gonna keep working on that.
You say I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold. If someone had told me that I will be strong, I'm gonna rise and fly.
So now that we have the toys mostly squared away, we're going to go ahead and start taking down all the patio furniture. And it was so hard for me to do this because, especially on this day, you guys can see I'm wearing a tank top, and my boyfriend's wearing shorts, so it was a pretty nice day out. It was really hard for me to go ahead and start taking all this down, because I thought, oh, I can still use this, but in Canada, where I'm from, I'm telling you guys, it can switch on a dime. So it can be a beautiful like this one day and literally be snowing the next. And I definitely, like I said earlier, did not want to get caught in the snow. The last couple of years that I had attempted to go ahead and do this, I've always missed it. So I ended up having a bunch of snow everywhere on top of all my stuff, and then had to try to do it like in the snow. Did not want that to happen this year, so I wanted to make sure and get it all done before it did snow, and thankfully I did. But yeah, we're just going ahead and taking down all the patio furniture. We're going to get rid of all the plants and all the potted flowers and everything like that. So it was bittersweet for sure, because I just wanted to hold on to that last little bit of summer as long as I could.
You say as you close the door behind me, look in the mirror, hearing you whisper in my ear, say, are you a sinner or a beginner? Yeah, let's get unpredictable tonight.
So as you guys can see, it is now a different day, and it is quite a bit cooler out that day. I'm wearing a nice comfy sweater, but it's time to go ahead and take everything out of my garden. So I'd already harvested the garden, and this is just kind of like the leftover plants that were left that had no fruit or anything on them. So we're going to go ahead, get all of that taken out and to the dump, and we're going to stack up all of my little like tomato holders, my little tomato plant holders and all that. That's all got to go into the garage and just to clean up the garden to get it ready for next year.
You kill my headphones with that song, the way that you're laughing, spilling the milkshake in your bed. I know what you're after. Yeah, I know what you're after. Let's get unpredictable tonight. You and me and vodka cola light. And put myself in situations, standing on my own. They say that you love a confrontation, and that everybody knows you might lie. possible tonight. You and me and vodka cola light. And I'm putting myself in situations.
So now I'm gathering all of the potted plants that I had on the deck. We're going to go ahead and take out any remaining plants, toss that into the wheelbarrow so we can get that out to the dump, and just set aside the pots, put them in the garage for next year so that we can plant more flowers next year.
And putting myself in situations, standing on my own. They say that you love a confrontation, and that everybody knows you white lies, white scars, wild nights, wild bars, burning me out, you're burning me out. I'm on the train headed back to Indiana. The rain is forming into rivers outside, writing down all the things that I miss, and in the letters you take form. No, I won't go back tonight with the habits of the restless me. I'm leaving all that stuff behind. We can start all over in our hometown, running free. It could be everything that we were chasing. I'm impatient just to see how you make everything fall into place. Yeah, we make how you make everything fall into place. You see, you make everything. I'm the first one to get off at the station. There's something in the air that I can't place, and now I see a silhouette in the dark. It's like time has stood still. I'm gonna hold you tighter this time around. Now feeling like I need to escape. The world outside only made me numb, 'cause I just wanna be here in our hometown, running free.
Okay guys, welcome to the one drawback of having a fruit tree in your yard. It's kind of hard for you guys to see this on the screen, but everything that I am raking up here, that's not leaves. Yes, there's some leaves in there, but for the most part it is rotten apples. So whenever you have apples that are falling, yeah, it is the worst thing in the fall, having to clean up all those rotten apples, and they were starting to get really gross. I had left them way too long this year. I was just lazy and busy doing other things. So I'm just trying to rake them up as best as I can. It also is hard because we have gravel there right underneath it. And yeah, so it's very difficult to try to get all those apples out, but I'm so glad that I finally did, because they were definitely starting to get pretty gross and really mushy and just not a good time. So I'm raking all that up along with some of the leaves. We're gonna leave most of the leaves on the ground. I like to leave it over the winter because I feel like it's a really good fertilizer for the ground, and I usually end up raking in the spring. But yeah, we're just gonna at least get rid of those yucky apples for sure.
Realize
Remember how I said that it could be nice one day and cold the next? So in the last one I was wearing a nice chunky sweater, and in this one I'm back to wearing a tank top again. Good old Canadian weather. So we're gonna go ahead and take down Holden's trampoline, and you know, the funniest thing is he barely used this year. I think maybe he was just too young to really use it too much. He's 3.5. But of course, when it was time to take it down, then he wanted to stand up for like an hour. It's like, well, next year I know just to threaten to take it down every few weeks. So we're gonna go ahead and get this all taken apart. Once again, store that into the garage along with everything else. My garage is definitely full again, but at least it's organized this time.
It's a crazy Monday. I know it shows, but I'm a little nervous. I've just realized that I can't let go. There's something about me and you, so let me stay here a little while, at least until I calm down. Please don't say it's all about me. It's something about us, something I like to try. Please don't say it's all about you. That is so too late, 'cause I don't mind waiting for you. No, I don't mind waiting for you.
So my boyfriend came out to finish doing the trampoline, and I'm going to start clearing out all of the flower beds around the backyard. So any flowers that are not perennials, I'm just going to be getting rid of, throwing them away. And then I'm also going to, you guys will see here in a second, I'm going to start planting some strawberry plants. So in this bed over here, I didn't really have anything. It's mostly just weeds growing in there. But for next year, I decided that I wanted to make this area like a little berry patch. So I've got in the corner way back there, you guys can't really see it, but there's a big raspberry bush back there. So I thought for next year, it'd be really awesome to plant a whole bunch of strawberry plants along here and maybe like some blueberry bushes. So what I'm going to do is I had 3 strawberry plants in pots, and I'm just going to take those and transplant them and hope that they will come up in the spring. I've been told they will, so hopefully that's true. And then I can have a little strawberry patch there along that side. You guys check out how sweet Holden is trying to help his daddy take down this trampoline. Just the cutest little moment ever. I was so happy that I was able to catch this. Like, this is the one thing that I love about YouTube, is that I end up catching all these cute little moments that you normally wouldn't really be filming for. So while I'm planting these strawberry plants that you can see I'm doing right now, they are busy working on that trampoline. And now comes the fun part, which is washing all of the outside windows. You definitely want to make sure and do this before winter comes, because at least where I am, you cannot be washing your windows outside in the winter time. So you want to make sure you have nice clean windows before you head into winter. Otherwise, you're not going to be seeing out them for the entire winter. Back to another chilly day. Like I said, I had filmed this over the course of a couple of weeks, so this is the last little bit that we had to do yet. Anything basically that was left in the yard, I wanted to go ahead and get that all taken care of. So I had to remove this fountain, And then pretty much it was just stuff like that what we had been storing underneath the deck. So I had like extra mulch bags and stuff like that that I wanted to get rid of and store for next year. So I had to pull all that out from under there, throw it in the wheelbarrow, take it into the garage along with everything else in the free world. As you guys can see, I had some issues here trying to get all of that in there. But yeah, so basically just last little odds and ends, anything that hadn't been picked up yet had to go. I wanted to give the deck one last little wash down. I didn't use the power washer, but I just used my hose and just gave it a good spray and just kind of give it a good soaking. Like I said, in the springtime, I will end up using the power washer again on it, but I didn't think it was necessary to go into the winter. I just wanted to get any debris that was left on there, and those boxes are going to probably stay over the winter. They just house all our cushions and everything like that, and they're fully covered, so they should be fine. Okay guys, so we are here. The yard is done. I'm going to show you around. I'm so happy to be done this before the snow because the last 2 years it has snowed early and I have not gotten a chance to clean up the yard before it snowed. So here's what it looks like. Our deck is pretty much completely empty. All we have on here are these 2 storage boxes, which we keep our cushions in, and our hot tub supplies, but that's fine. They're covered. They're also underneath the soffit there, so should be fine for the winter, but everything else is packed away. The yard is pretty much empty other than the toys that Holden will have out to play with in the winter. Got rid of all those apples. The rest of the leaves that will fall, we will leave until spring. I feel like it really helps to fertilize the ground when it kind of rots over the winter. And I went through and cleaned up all of the plants that are not perennials. Put away the trampoline. And yeah, all that's left is Holden's toys that he will have out. Alright you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me in today's video. I hope I was able to give you some backyard cleanup inspiration. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see more backyard videos like this, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action.